To earn online money is no myth nowadays. Many people in our surrounding are doing it. The question arises, what is the right way to do it? While there are a lot of scams out there, there are also a number of legitimate and real ways to earn money online. Millions of people in today's date are making millions just by sitting behind their laptops on a cozy beach enjoying a pina colada. So let us introduce you to legitimate ways of earning online money. Dropshipping. According to Google Trends, dropshipping is becoming one of the most popular way of doing business online. It has the potential to become a sound business idea, with success stories popping up on our social media news feed about success of entrepreneurs over e-commerce channels and making six figures just by selling one product. There is ample information available to support the idea that dropshipping is one of the most profitable way to make money online in 2022. In this model, you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages and ships it to the customer on your behalf. With platforms like Shopify, any beginner with no coding experience can establish the online presence. According to Nasdaq, UK, by 2040, 94% of retail shopping will be shifted to online. Currently, there are so many plugins and applications provided by third parties, which enable you to select the product and fully automates the order fulfillment process. So, in actual, you only have to play smart and make it happen. Print on demand. Print on demand, POD, is a printing technology and business process in which copies of a book or other document are not printed until an order has been received. This differs from the more traditional method of printing books in large quantities, known as offset printing. POD has a number of advantages over offset printing. Perhaps the most significant is that it eliminates the need to print large quantities of books up front, which can save publishers a great deal of money. POD also allows for shorter turnaround times, as books can be printed and shipped relatively quickly after an order is placed. POD has become increasingly popular in recent years, particularly for niche publications that might not sell well in large quantities. Do affiliate marketing and earn online. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing in which businesses promote other businesses' products or services in exchange for a commission. It's a popular way to earn money online and can be a great way to supplement your income or even replace your full-time job. There are two main ways to make money with affiliate marketing: by promoting products or services as an affiliate, or by selling your own products or services and using affiliate marketing to drive traffic to your site. Start your own YouTube channel. One of the best ways to earn online money. YouTube has become an important part of many people's lives. It's a great way for people to share their ideas, opinions, and creativity. There are hundreds of niches available, so you'll need to narrow down what you're interested in. Think about what you enjoy doing and what you think would be interesting to other people. Once you've chosen a niche, you'll need to find a name for your channel. This will help you build credibility with potential subscribers. Make sure you pick something catchy and easy to remember. Be an influencer. With the rise of social media, anyone can have a voice and reach a large audience with their thoughts and ideas. If you have something valuable to say, you can become an influencer. People are increasingly turning to influencers for recommendations on what to buy, where to eat, and what to do. As an influencer, you can have a significant impact on people's lives. There are a few things you need to do to become an influencer. First, you need to build up a following of engaged fans who are interested in what you have to say. Second, you need to create quality content that is interesting and useful to your fans. Finally, you need to be active on social media and interact with your fans regularly. Create a course and sell it to earn online. With the technological advances we have today, it's easier than ever to create a course and put it online for others to access. You no longer need to be affiliated with a school or university to create and teach a course. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or just passionate about a hobby, you can share your knowledge with the world by creating an online course. There are many reasons why you might want to create a course online. Maybe you want to earn some extra income by teaching others what you know, or maybe you just want to share your knowledge and help others learn something new. Publish an ebook. With the advent of technology, self-publishing has become increasingly popular. More and more people are choosing to bypass traditional publishing houses and instead publish their work themselves. If you're considering self-publishing, one option you might want to consider is publishing an ebook. There are a number of advantages to publishing an ebook. First, it's relatively easy and inexpensive to do. You don't need to print and bind physical copies, so there are no production costs. You also have complete control over the design and layout of your book. And because ebooks can be published quickly and easily, you can get your work out there faster than you could with a traditional publisher. Another advantage of ebook publishing is that it gives you a wider reach. With a traditional publisher, your book would only be available in certain bookstores and would only be seen by people who happen to come across it. But with an ebook, your book can be sold online and can be seen by people all over the world. Start writing a blog. Blogging can be a great way to earn money because it allows you to share your knowledge and expertise with a wide audience. And if you do it well, you can attract a large following that is willing to pay for your insights. There are a few key things you need to do if you want to start a blog and earn money from it. First, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that you know something about. Second, you need to create compelling content that will keep people coming back for more. And third, you need to market your blog effectively so that people can find it and subscribe to it. If you can do all of these things, then you can be successful in earning money from your blog. Freelancing, a great way always. If you have a skill or talent that you can offer others, then freelancing is a great way to make some online money. You can work as much or as little as you want. One of the great things about freelancing is that you can often work from home. This is a huge advantage, as it saves on travel time and costs, and it also allows you to have a more flexible schedule. You can often choose your own hours and take breaks when you want to. If you have young children, this can be a godsend, as you can work around their nap times and school hours.